If you're looking for a simple way to bring some joy into your home, you have to see this. My name's Hannah with WTI, and this is the AMDERVEN Mountain Sunset Catcher. And I absolutely love having it hang right in my kitchen window. The first thing I notice about this is the gorgeous artistic design. I am a huge fan of mountains because I don't live close to them and I wish I did. And seeing this landscape with the lake and the trees every single day just brings a little bit of happiness to my life. The colors are incredibly vivid and rich, and my favorite part is how the colors shift and change depending on the time of day. You get some really bright, brilliant tones, you get some warm tones, deep and moody tones. It's just pretty to see it all day long. It's a little under 10 inches, so it's the perfect size to be a really good focal point. The quality is great too. It has a nice weight to it with a sturdy metal frame, and it's easy to hang up with the adhesive hook it comes with. If you want a piece of art that brings a constant evolving pop of color to your view, this is a total win. But that's just my point of view.